Motherfucker. There we go. Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on the Z a little bit. Nothing too special. I actually have a burnout switch that I had put in here, a while back. And as you can see, it does not exactly fit well. It has a little rubber piece on here that's trying to come up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to replace it with one that should fit perfectly. I will link it down below for you guys. And yeah, let's get right to it. I'll show you guys what I did since I can't go back and undo it now. But yeah, it's a super easy mod, and yeah, here we go. We'll pop this piece out. As you can see, I have already cut the green wire and spliced into it, made them longer. Ta-da. It's not the prettiest, but I didn't have my soldering iron at the time, so whatever, I made it work. Alright, so these are the ones that I got. Alright, so really quick, we're just going to do a quick test to make sure it still works and, well, just make sure the switch works in general. But, start the car. Ta-da! Downfall is you do have to restart the car in order to get the traction control back on, but this should be good for just hooning around and fucking destroying tires. Alright, so it's in, everything works. I've tested it a couple of times. Now I'm going to go out and get a cool video doing a burnout with my one tire fire base model. Fuck yeah. On? Yeah, it's on. I'm going to go back this way. Alright, well, as you guys just saw, everything did work out. I'm super happy with how this button turned out. It looks a lot better than the last one did. It actually looks like it's supposed to be there. So once again, I will link those down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.